I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Ashish Asaf from SA Consultants and Forwarders. Thank you so much for being here today. How are you finding the conference so far?
It's amazing. It's one of a kind, you know. And the best part about this conference is that attention to detail, and it's very exclusive, and you know, because there are less people, I'm finding it really interesting.
It's so nice to see people face to face again as well,
Absolutely,
right?
Especially after 2 years, and you know how horrible the pandemic is. But then, last but not the least, we are very fortunate to be in this business during pandemic, because the logistics, supply chain just took off. We are the ones who actually, you know, went on working during these tough times.
Well, actually, could you take us back to the beginning? Tell us a bit about your company.
Yeah. Okay, this company was started by me and my father in year 2000, and he started his career with Pan Am, and so he comes in with a lot of experience.
Yeah.
And I took over from him in year 2010, and we are in 9 locations in India. We are a neutral wholesale freight forwarding company from India, and we do more than 2,000 tons a month of air freight, and we are expanding.
And tell us about how COVID has been for the company.
Well, COVID, initially it was very challenging because, you know, a lot of flights stopped operating, and so we are a primarily air freight export company, and times were so uncertain, and India kept extending the lockdown. But we were very fortunate that the airlines returned they started their flights from P2C. Passenger cargo, they were freighters operating. So we got back into business. The start was slow, but then it really, like I said, we are very fortunate to be in business, and the company has done the best business ever.
And are there any particular digital forwarding actions that you've taken throughout the pandemic?
So we have been a very digitally active company. All our systems are online. We have an in-house system which we work in, and that did not impact us. Our people were working from home smoothly. The only thing, only our operations team and myself was there at the airport, you know, handling the shipments, and everything was very smooth with us as a company, thanks to our digitization, what we do. Yeah.
And tell us about the benefits of being a member of NAP.
Well, the best thing is I'm doing very well with NAP, you know, and the business has been great. And the thing is that you can personally interact with people because the network is small and more exclusive. You have more understanding with each other, and so it has been great. You know, I would say NAP is the best network ever for me.
And finally, tell us what your thoughts are on CCL TV being here at the conference.
It's amazing. I might say it's a very interesting concept, and it's really nice to see you guys, and it's a great initiative. I must appreciate you for that.
Well, it's so lovely to have you here. So thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
too. Have a good day. Yeah, thanks a lot.